air's leaking from. I gotta pop it out and redo it. It's leaking. Come on. Yeah, flat.
Man,
Plugging it.
Man, you know how many I had like this?
Toyotas?
No,
Oh, flat
no.
tires?
Flat tires.
Yeah, happens all the time.
No, you know what it is?
The nails in the construction.
Goddamn neighborhood.
Oh yeah, the
They
nails.
threw it on the streets.
And also, I know they're building a lot of houses, so you know,
Yeah,
there's a lot of
that's what
stuff
it is.
happens too.
Thank God you know how to do it.
Yeah, I know.
You just saved $27.
I know. I paid like $20 to some guy to do it before I knew how to do it. When you get this rubber cement, it's always a good idea to see it's leaking already, to put it in one of these bags. Just put it in something. It's gonna leak all over your car. You don't want that. Glove just ripped. Great. I'll have spares. Okay, these are all right. I just did this last week and they, came apart already. So I did it again. Right against the hub. See if it shuts off at 36. There it is, shut off. Let's do some deliveries.